We are back again with another video of snacks, but this time, no Asian snacks. Wait, hold on, let me double check before I say that. Yeah, no Asian snacks. No Asian snacks this time. This time, I'm using my subscription box, munchpak. I love this thing. Like, this put me onto so many snacks that I would have never even thought to try. So I don't even know. Let me just show you the ones I have. And listen, don't mind my arrangement right now because I don't have no fucking lighting in my house. No motherfucking good lighting in my house. So we're just gonna move past that. Let's try the snacks now, okay? And I'm gonna throw in an American snack as well too, because I can't just do straight, foreign. So first one we have right here is, I don't even know how to say it, Kellogg's? I don't even know, but all I know is that it's from Ireland. And it says cheese and onion. So it's made in Ireland, crunchy hand-cooked chips with the delicious cheese and onion flavor. Let me try that out. Yeah. Let's see how they do this in Ireland. Okay. This is good. I can't even, it tastes like just regular, one of these regular chips out here. Nothing special. It's good though, it's good. Like, I could definitely finish that bag, but it's not like I gotta fucking travel to Ireland for that shit. So this one I'm excited, bitch. This one I've been waiting for. Okay, so this one, I think it's called 3-bit or 3-bite, whatever, chocolate bar. It's from Poland, and I think it's like a mixture of like a Kit Kat with a, wait, what is it? Kit Kat with a Snickers. I think it's a mixture of one of those two, because it says crunchy wafer like inside with creamy nougat covered in milk chocolate. So got a wafer like the Kit Kat with nougat, or however you say it, like the Snickers. So let's see what the fuck Poland talking about. Jeez. Okay. It's in like little pieces. Oh, you can just break off the pieces. Oh, it's mad soft. Oh my God, it's so soft. I can't. Oh my God, okay. Hold on, sorry. Listen. Poland. Y'all did this. Y'all did this 3-bite. This one I'll travel to fucking Poland for this shit. Thank you, God. That was so good. That was worth it. So this one right here, it's from Poland as well. Like I said, I realized I have a theme going on. Caramel. I don't normally like these type of things, even like American ones, so let's just see how it goes. And don't ask me why I'm opening everything with my teeth, because I fucking want to, bitch. Okay. It's just like, oh. Just like that. No. Okay. Wait. Like the texture? I don't know how to feel about it, because like the texture is so soft, like for a cracker, it's like scary. But then the cream inside, what? Nah, that cream inside. Cream is always good. That cream is good in any situation. Okay. No, last but not least, this is the American snack. Many of y'all may seen this, but not many of y'all fucking probably tried it yet. The Twix, but cookies and cream. Okay. Let's see what it looks like on side. A little bit of. I'm on my iPhone, so you can't really see like the quality, but. To me personally, I'm not even a cookies and cream type of person, but Dios mío. Ay, Dios mío. What? This is good. Like, if you already like Twix, you're gonna love this. It's not too much, not too little of the cookies and cream flavoring, but it's good because it's not too much caramel. It's just, this one's good. I'd actually buy this one again. This one, I'm just gonna enjoy it for the moment. The filling is fire, but the wafer is way too soft. That's like scary. Poland, you did this shit. Period. Period. Poland, period. Okay? And Ireland, you are chip. I mean, I got another flavor to try, but could have came a little harder. Because I know y'all cheese gotta taste a little different out there. But that concludes snacking with Lex.